Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another installment to my bPerfect Carnival palette series, and I thought my last three eye looks that I did were very focused on the eyes, but not everybody is big into having their eyes being the focal point of their makeup, so I decided that I would do a makeup look that was more about the lips, but still show you how to create a really nice soft eye look that will complement a bright lip colour. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So the first colour that we're going to use is this mushroom grey tone called Naked, and we're going to use a round barrel fluffy brush. And we're going to use a good amount of this colour and pop it right in the crease. So we're switching to a slightly smaller brush and using the same colour, just slightly lower in the crease. By using the same colour but two different size brushes, you'll give the illusion that you've used two different colours. You can just basically create more depth slightly lower down in the crease, so it creates more of a shadow. We're going to continue to use that smaller brush, but we're now going to dip into basic. And again, layer that on the crease but slightly lower than your first colour. You can blend the two with your first brush. So we want this look to have a little bit of depth, but nothing major, because this look is all about the lips. So it's just a very, very soft look. A little bit of this darker shade Rowdy, and just on the outer edge of my eye, nowhere near the crease. And I'm using the larger fluffy brush just so I don't get too much product down. The larger brushes cover quite a large surface area, but they give a much softer finish because their bristles are longer and more splayed out. And if you feel you need it, a clean fluffy brush just to soften your edges. So now I'm actually going to use this highlighter shade Saint, and I'm just going to pop that on the lid. I'm not going to wet the brush or anything like that. I don't want this to be too intense. And stopping slightly overlapping where we applied that darker shade, and then with your first brush you can blend those two together, so you just get that little bit of shimmer. And then using this shade Moony, which is a very bright white highlight, I'm going to just literally dip the brush in once and I'm going to pop it on the center, so it'll just brighten up that shade Saint a little bit more without it being white. And I'm also going to bring that around to my inner corner and a tiny bit onto the brow bone. Now the next thing that I'm going to use is this pencil by, I'm covering it this way, this pencil by Benefit. It's called Highbrow. It's actually designed to be a brow bone highlight, but I love it on the inner portion of the eye. Can you see the difference? It just makes that white of my eye seem slightly larger and slightly more awake and brightened. And I'm just going to finish off with a slick of my favourite, the Essence Liquid Ink. So I'm going to give a very nice 40s, 50s style flick to the eye. So now I'm just going to pop on some of the Essence Lash Princess mascara. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to use some of these. These are the PS Penneys or Primark Individual Lashes. I got the Assorted ones. So they do come in different lengths, so they come in short, medium, long, but I got the Assorted pack. And if you look at them from the side, I don't know if you can see, you can see that this side is shorter than this side, so it goes short, medium, long. And it comes with a little clear glue. So what I do, take the top out, and then I squeeze a blob of glue down there. And then using tweezers, I'm going to pull them out, one whole thing, dip the root into the glue, not much, and then you're going to look down into a mirror, go over your eye. Easier than you think. These are the easiest ones to use. So I always put the longest ones on my outer corner, as close to your roots of your own lashes as you can get them. And I've switched to the smaller ones now. So I have 3 long ones, and I'm going to put probably 2 or 3 short ones depending. And that is it from me for today. Really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Something different, something softer, more lip focused, but still showing you how to create a nice soft eye look that will go with a bright coloured lip. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below if you're not already. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. And until the next time guys, I will see you soon. Bye!